Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your clothes in your video using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my InShot application and first of all, I'm going to create new project. I'm going to select video and then select new and I'm going to import the blank clip to my project. We can tap on the blank clip and then click on this check mark to import it. Okay, and wait, I'm going to remove the InShot watermark. And then we're going to duplicate the blank clip. Wait, guys. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this blank clip and change the color like this. You can customize how many blank clips you want to add to your video. It depends on how many colors you want to use for your clothes. And I'm just going to select, I'm just going to add four for blank clip. I'm going to add 4 colors. For the first color, I'm going to go with this one. And the second color is purple. And also blue. And the last one is maybe green. All right, and we're going to import the video we want to edit. You can go to the PIP and then you can select your video. Wait, I'm going to open up this Telegram folder and for example, I'm going to change the color of the clothes in this video. Click on this option to fit the screen. And to change the color, we're going to use chroma feature. You can select the cutout and then select chroma. And you can place the circle on the clothes. And then you can increase the strength and the shadow as well. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay. And okay, now it's done. And this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the color has been changed. And I have applied 4 colors to my clothes. Okay, then once you're ready to save your video, you just need to click on export and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change color of clothes in our video using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.